Hello and welcome back. Just quickly before we get started, a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share these videos with someone else you think might enjoy them. All of that really helps the channel out. Let's see, let's start with this row here. Looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 4, and no help here. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. Don't see any help here. 1, 4, 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 4. So since the 5 can't be here or here, it must be here. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. I don't see any help. 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 4 covering this box, a 7 here. So 3, 6, and again that 4. So 3, 6, 7. We've got a 3 here. So 4, 6, 7. And no help here. 3, 4, 6, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 4 covering here. So 1, 5, 6. That 4 and the 6 means 1, 5. Got a 1 covering these boxes. 5 here. So 4, 6. And again, this 1 and 4 makes this our 5, 6. So if we look, the only place our 4 can be in this box is here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so 6, 7. Same thing here, 6, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 6. We've got the 1 covering these 2 boxes. So 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And no help here. 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 6 covering this column, 7 covering the box. That makes this our 2. With the 7 covering those boxes, that means the 7 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 7 and 8 covering this box and the 9 covering this row, so that means our 5 is here. We've got a 7 and 9 covering this box, so that makes this our 8. We've got a 9 here, so that makes this our 7 and 9. Just looking quick to see if any of that helps us out on past stuff. It does. This 7 makes this our 6, 7. So now with the 6 and 7, we can get rid of these. And the 6 and 7 makes this our 4. So then this is our 3. this 6 means we can get rid of that 6. And this 3 comes up here, makes this our 6. So then that means this is our 7 for this column. The 6, then we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. And with this 5, that makes this our 6, 5. That 5 makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. And now with this 5, we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. And this 1, we can get rid of this 1. All right, I think we're cleaned up for the moment now. If we look at this column now, we're still missing a 2 and a 3. I don't see any help. 2, 3, 2, 3. And for this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8, but the 8 can't be there or there. So that means this is our 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 covering here, so this is our 2. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. And then we can get rid of these 3s. For this box now, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so that makes this our 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. This 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. Is that right? Because then we've made a mistake. Yep, we've made a mistake because this column needs a 4, but we've got a 4 here now. So that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here for tomorrow's puzzle.